Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about the convexity heat map tool, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
This tool will save you 90% of your time in setting up your butterflies, because you can go and find the butterfly you want, click on it, and immediately create the butterfly structure and then execute it. In our system, you can either execute it as an analytical platform, an analytical position, and then look at it, or you can copy and paste it directly into your Thinkorswim. So you can go from finding your butterfly to executing it within I would say maybe 30 seconds. Now, normally, you know how long it would take you if you go into Thinkorswim and start fooling around with the strikes and everything, and then trying to find a position that you want to create. It might take you 2-3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes or something like that. And you don't even know how that particular fly or position stacks up against other possible flies. You're just swinging at it and hoping that you get a good price. Here, you can see all of them at once. It's an incredible tool. And I'm telling you, when you come into the service as an observer, that tool is going to blow you away. Anyways, that's what we use the convexity tool for. That's what it's all about. In fact, why don't I go to the FatTail app? All right, so this is a live look at the market. We can actually go to the market. And what you're seeing here, as I explained it before, is the full options chain, and then all the prices of all the butterflies of various widths. So let's say I wanted to trade something that was 30 wide. I can come down here and I can see the pricing of all of these at various strikes. The strike being the center strike, and then it's split on either side of it. So if I wanted to put on a 35 wide or a 30 wide, normally I'm looking for that 10% of the debit, and that would be $3. So I can see that there's a $3 price right here. But really what I want is something that's about half of that, right? As you can see, the price is alive. And I can just go 2 strikes out and I can find one for $1.37. And so here I can get that fly and immediately put it up here. Let me hide the other two so you can see it. So I found that fly immediately, bam, it's done. Then I could go to the other side and find that one. And here's one right here for $1.35. And put that one. So you can see right here, I can actually copy a toss script and bring it right over to my Thinkorswim platform and execute it right away. Or I can put it here and I can analyze it. So there, within just a few seconds, I've created a Batman trade by using this convexity heat map and finding exactly the price that I want and where convexity has changed. Now, convexity is illustrated through the gradient coloring here. And so you can see how the colors change as the rate of change of the cost of the fly changes. And so the coloring draws your eye directly to where you're getting a convex relationship so that you can get into one of these flies immediately. This is just an incredible tool. I can't say enough about it. I racked my brain for 3 months developing this tool, and it is just unbelievable.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.